This is the Wuben X4. It's a new flashlight from Wuben. I have another one, a smaller one, that I got last year, and it's really handy, and I like their stuff. So I got this one. This is the bigger one. We're going to unbox it, see if we can get it open and get it running. I'm assuming they're a Chinese company, but they make good stuff. Yeah, X4 Easy Carry Light Innovator is what it says. Nothing down there. Instruction manual, of course, in different languages. And there we go. So we got a little lanyard for it. A USB-A to USB-C charging cable, and here's the light itself. That's pretty cool. And it's larger than the other one I have, but it's not huge, obviously. It's pretty stout too. It feels nice in your hands. Got a clip on the side. I'm just gonna power it on, see what I can get. Let's see. I might not be able to get anything going until I charge it. I got a feeling that's it. Yep, okay. So what we'll do is, oh, it's on lock. Oh, wait a minute, hold on. No. All right, so I gotta work with this. I gotta charge it up and then just go from there. So we'll get back to it. Okay, I think I got this figured out. There's a rechargeable battery in here, like that, and there was this little guy blocking the connection. So obviously I took that out, and we're good to go. You can lock the, you gotta press this and the door pops open, but you can lock it. And then you unlock it, oops, and it comes out. There we go. So basically 4 stops on the slider here. The whole thing's locked, can't turn it on. The side lights, which are right here, the main light, obviously, which is up here, and then it's got a little moon right there for, it really means low light, low setting. So if you put it on the side and turn it on, you got this little side lamp coming on there. And then if you go up one, this is the main light, you have the indicator there. This thing is, wait, where am I? That's night. And there it is. It's lighting pretty good. It's hard to tell. I mean, how bright this thing is because I'm doing this in the daylight, but it's crazy bright. And then the last one is the night setting, or the low light setting, which is just lower, less light. So anyway, that's pretty cool. And if you press and hold, there's a blue light that goes on. I'm not sure what that is, but if you just press once, the lamp comes on. It's got a clip on the side. I'm going to turn this off. And it's also magnetized on the bottom, so you can, it's not super strong though. Whoops, I'm going to lock that. So that didn't come out. There we go. It doesn't really, it's not like it'll attach to anything metal, you know, and just hanging. So I don't know, it's just a light magnet. And you can, I don't know why that's there, but it is. Anyway, but Wuben X4, this is pretty cool. And it's very hefty and well put together. There's a clip here, put it on your belt or whatever you need. And really, that's about it. You can adjust, hang on. Okay, you can adjust the light. There we go. Now we're really cranking. That's what I was looking for earlier. There we go. There's a wheel on the side here, and you just adjust it. And this thing is crazy bright. There we go. Now we're really getting it. All right, that's about it. And I'm glad I got this thing. I'm going to be using this for sure. So anyway, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.